Alright, so I'm working on a little bit of a project here in the garage. I'm not sure it's going to work out too well or really kind of eventuate, but I guess if it does, then I'll just continue to go along with the project. But what it is it's a single-sided swing arm with the brake caliper facing I guess whichever side, but yeah, it's pretty much going to sit something, if I can do this all one-handed, it's going to sit pretty much like that, and the brake caliper is going to be on that side. So I'm actually going to cut this piece of steel down, I guess, and we'll go from there and we'll see how it looks. Is a little bit windy, so just bear with me, but the single-sided fork actually turned out really well. The only downside is I kind of drilled the hole for the bolt a little off-center, but other than that I'm pretty pleased with actually how it turned out. You can see I've got the disc brake on one side, and really I didn't intend on using it for anything. I just wanted to see if I could actually pull it off and actually have that bolt be strong enough to support someone's weight, because it's got to hold at least 200 pounds or about 90 something kilos. But it looks pretty cool. Another downside was I was actually going to put a fender on the top, but I didn't leave enough room. So it is what it is, it's trial and error, but I really do like the way that thing looks. Rolls smooth as well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys.